Have you ever wondered why some people in their 70s still take morning walks smiling with steady heartbeats, while others in their 40s are already struggling with high blood pressure, cholesterol, or the risk of stroke? The answer isn't just in your genes, it's in the meals you choose every single day. Today, let's discover a truly special meal, a natural remedy proven to help prevent heart attacks and strokes. Not through pills or medicine, but through wisdom, mindfulness, and deep respect for your own body. 1. Wild-caught salmon, the blue blood of the ocean. It's no coincidence that salmon is called the pink gold of the sea. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats, that thin the blood, reduce inflammation, and prevent blood clots, those silent killers of heart health. Wild-caught salmon contains just the right amount of iron, giving your body clean, heart-safe energy. Every bite of salmon is the ocean's gift, infused with sunlight, sea breeze, and cold currents. A pure living energy that nourishes your heart in the most natural way. 2. Arugula and beets, the duo that opens the door to life. In the world of plants, nitric oxide is the language shared between nature and the human body. Arugula and beets are two of the richest sources of nitric oxide, helping dilate blood vessels, soften arterial walls, and improve circulation. When you eat arugula or drink beet juice, you send your bloodstream a wave of renewal, flexibility, smoothness, and freedom in the flow of life. Imagine every cell breathing easier, your heart beating peacefully, all because you chose a simple magical salad. 3. Extra virgin olive oil, the golden shield of the Mediterranean. The ancient Greeks believed olive oil was a gift from the gods, and science agrees its polyphenols bind free iron and prevent inflammation. Just 1 tablespoon a day can lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and slow down heart aging. When you drizzle olive oil on your salad, you're wrapping your body in a natural shield, soft yet unbreakable. 4. Apple cider vinegar, the healer of gut and vessels. Apple cider vinegar isn't just a dressing, it tightens intestinal walls, reducing leaky gut, a hidden cause of inflammation and abnormal clotting. Just a few drops in your meal start a quiet repair process inside your body, healing invisible wounds. 5. Garlic, the warrior of purity and protection. For thousands of years, garlic has been trusted to fight disease. When you crush it, allicin awakens a natural antibiotic more powerful than any pill. It sweeps through your vessels, clearing bacteria, reducing inflammation, and letting your blood flow freely like a crystal-clear stream. 6. Sauerkraut and kombucha, the microbial symphony of life. Fermented foods like sauerkraut and kombucha provide lactic acid bacteria that neutralize endotoxins and strengthen your immune barrier. A few spoonfuls remind you health doesn't come only from what you eat, but from the balance within. 7. Green tea and dark chocolate, the bittersweet end of awakening. Across cultures, tea and cacao symbolize clarity and life. They're packed with polyphenols and magnesium, removing free iron and supporting heart rhythm. A warm cup of tea and a piece of dark chocolate, not indulgence, but gratitude for your heart after a long day. 8. After the meal, the walk of life. Stand up, breathe through your nose, and walk gently for 10-20 minutes. Each step balances sugar and keeps your heart strong. It's not just a walk, it's a sacred ritual of reconnection between you and your body. 9. My final message to you: learn to love yourself again. Preventing stroke or heart attack isn't about fighting death. It's about choosing to live fully, deeply, and meaningfully. Every ingredient in this meal is a message from nature. Slow down. Choose mindfully. Listen to your heart. Your heart doesn't ask for much, only to be loved through simple, wise, and honest choices. Thank you for staying until the end. In this noisy world, taking a moment to listen, reflect, and open your heart, that's something truly precious. You could be anywhere at home on your way to work or sitting quietly, but you chose to be here to understand yourself more deeply. That says everything about your courage, kindness, and genuine desire to connect. If there's one thing I hope you remember, your health doesn't come from perfection. It comes from authenticity. Keep nurturing that connection every day, little by little. And know that wherever you are in the world, I'm right here with you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm Dr. Danielle Moore, and it's been an honor to share this moment with you today.